Hey guys, welcome back to another video. We're at Home Depot. We're about to get some supplies because we're going to be working on my girl's wall.
Yes.
So we're going to be taking you through the process. Hopefully it's going to come out amazing just because,
It
you
will.
know.
I was looking at these ones. This may be a little too.
So I'm on my way to my cousin's house to help her paint her. So I took you guys to Home Depot to get the supplies. So now we are about to do the first part of the job. We're gonna do it in steps, right? We're gonna do it in steps. We're not gonna do everything at the same time. And we're not gonna do everything at the same time. And we're gonna go ahead and paint, and then from there, put up the feature wall. So I'm taking you guys along with me. Yeah. As you can see, we're about to start prepping the wall to start painting, and you can see my precious helper, Zara. She was so helpful, y'all. She was so excited to, get her hands dirty and just ready to work. But I am taping the wall. I'm trying to learn how to be able to paint the edges without having to tape up the wall. So that's going to be my next assignment for myself, or next challenge for myself. What color is it? Blue, right? Blue. All right. Okay. Come here.
Good job, Zamzam.
Okay. Do like this.
That's what you be liking. Good job. I need to record this.
This is actually a pretty cool tool. It's a Ryobi laser level, and I thought it was really good in helping to align the boxes, so that I had that on the whole time to help me do that. So yeah, I thought it was pretty helpful. So to get the accurate size of each box, or accurate measurement of each box, you want to measure the length and the width of the wall. Using those numbers, you want to be able to split that into 3 boxes, figure out how long you want each box to be, how wide you want it to be, and make sure that you make room for the spacing between each box. That was very helpful in knowing and being able to cut all the wood pieces at one time, so that you're not like going back and forth and trying to figure out what you need to do, what you don't need to do. So I saw this on someone's channel and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna do this because I actually want this wall to look as professional as possible, and it worked. Really takes the most time. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're just gonna you're just gonna just cut this side, just a small part. Alright. So then just measure 40.5. From top, like what I was doing. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna measure 40.5. That's fine. So we're gonna have to do it. Oh wait. We just have to find it. Yeah. Okay. So let's just That's too short. Wait, is it too short? Yeah, that's too short. You see, Enemy of Progress just wants to just have us be here all day, but I said no, we're not doing that. So I realized that the piece of the wood was much shorter that we needed it to be. And we were running out of wood, and her husband already went to the store to go get some. And we needed to come up with a solution because we cannot have that. So I was able to cut off a piece and fit it into that missing space. So we did not want to hammer it into the wall because it will probably split the wood, and you don't want that. So what you're going to see me do later on is actually caulk that area and use wood filler to fill in that hole, so that it can look seamless when you're painting it and you will barely notice it.
Can you make sure?
So yeah,
See, okay,
that's something to do when you find yourself stuck in a situation. Just improvise and nobody will notice unless you
go down. Like, see, like, just look, see if it's flush.
Yeah.
It's flush?
The part where you added, I can't see that.
Okay, alright, yeah, because once we. It's just like a brat. It's like a. It looks. Just like a straight, no head nail.
Oh, you're breaking the wood.
Yeah, because I thought it was
Leave it. Okay.
Oh, you got it?
Oh, you got it?
wrong.
Yeah, it's a 2-inch.
My goodness. Okay.
Did it destroy it too much?
No.
Well, now it's time to fill the.
So now let's caulk it, and then
And you can call.
I'll caulk up there.
Babe, you and
Wow, this is
maybe you
amazing.
can call for close, and then I'll fill the hole.
Okay, where am I starting?
Good job. Look at that.
Oh, this is, we did amazing now.
Yeah.
Same work. The measurements, it was
Everything.
Yeah.
Yeah, we did. This is actually.
We really tried.
We did do.
We'll be on good angles.
But you be fast forwarded most of the time.
Yeah,
it's gonna be fast on the screen. And then I'll just voiceovers.
Okay, good job.
Mommy, why?
Who's that?
Who's that?
Hey, I won't be surprised if he looks with. He likes to just pop up.
Oh, is that what he does?
He
My
said
kind
I'm
of person.
coming, and then you forget he's supposed to come because you don't show up till late. Unless it's. Mom, are you expecting anyone? It's open, right? I told you.
No, you told me.
Oh, you told Mom. Okay. I told you. Because when he says I'll, he doesn't confirm.
What do you need to go first with?
You say like, random.
Daily.
Maybe. So you forget half the time.
At this point, we have everything on the wall, and at this time, I thought I was gonna actually wanted to caulk the edge of the wood, but I realized when I was doing it that it actually might not be necessary just because of the color of the wall. Painting it would just be fine, and nobody's about to like pull it out. Like, we already secured it with the hammer or with the nail gun, so there was really no need to caulk it. Do y'all see my little Zara? She was just an amazing helper. Like, she was so into it. I was just telling her, I was like, make sure when you get older that you'll not be, not wanting to be helping around. It's fun for kids to do it while they're young, but when they get older, they be wanting to do guy. So yeah, so right now we're filling the wood, which is very important to fill the wood because you don't want to see where the nail gun punctured into and it just gives it a cleaner look. So you want to make sure that you do that. If anything, that's really, really
You see your life. See your life. Wow, this one looks nice.
The fireplace. something like a.
This looks really
It
good.
looks very good. Like, oh yeah.
Oh my God. You got it. Wait.
Look at how beautiful this wall came out even before painting everything. So, this is the final step. Now we're just painting in the boxes. This part was a little bit more tedious. Obviously, painting is always tedious, but it was such a great project. I had fun doing this. Learned a lot too while doing this, so I'm excited to do more of this. If you have any questions, let us know. Let me know in the comment section, and I'll be happy to answer it. Please like, comment, and subscribe.